and I choose one lady. Miusha, you will be next. So you making the like this. So you have a seat and making like this. Like prepare me the clothes, and I, like an ugly man, making again the riding horses with you. I'm making this kind of thing. You see, it is our culture. So now you accept my meeting, you accept me as me a man, and now you making the circle with me. Now we are couple. This is all. Oh.